Welcome to the channel, friends. So today's video is going to be covering the original Google Nest and how to manually override the unit. Now there's a couple ways of doing it, but I also cover other aspects of this thermostat if you're interested, and I highly encourage you to go check those out before you do a manual override. You'll want to fully program the device. Once it's fully set up, I have videos all on that, covering that topic, as well as how to connect to the Home app, the Google Home app, and that's what you would use to control this device. But the manual override of this unit is actually pretty simple. There's a couple ways of doing it. You have the slider button here on the side, and then you can do a tap for selection. And on your main display here, you can basically just adjust the thermostat, okay, just like a manual thermostat. And as you can see, we're in heating mode, and now it's going to be set to 72 of a set point temperature. Now this is going to go on till the next scheduled period in the program. We don't know what that is, okay? So it's a very temporary solution or a temporary override right now. Now, if you want to do a permanent override, this is when you would go into the, basically do the same thing. You would adjust your temperature. Let's bring it to 73. And then we're going to tap. And that brings us into the menu here. And then you want to scroll over to this little clock here, which is going to be your hold. Right now it says off, but we're going to go ahead and hold the current temperature. Hit select, continue, and then it's going to ask us now to hold it until what time? Okay, and we can keep on going here and basically set whatever time we want. If we want to keep it till the next day, we can do that, 12 a.m. the next day. And then you would just go ahead and select what you want. So we're just going to keep it at 9 p.m. Hit select there, hit confirm. And now it's holding 73 degrees of a set point until 9 p.m. This here will override, okay, basically your temperature program schedule on the device, because now you have a permanent hold until 9 p.m. like we just set it here. If you were to just do the temporary one, it wouldn't be a permanent hold. Okay, you can't really do a indefinite hold on this. You have to select the time. So that's something you have to kind of like program the device. If you want to do a proper scheduling of 73 degrees, you know, every day of the week, you have to go in the actual schedule, which I have a separate video on, so you can go ahead and check that out for 7-day programming. And that would be a more permanent thing to actually set the thing up properly and program it. But temporary relief when it comes to manual override is as simple as that. It's just adjusting it and then going ahead and putting on a hold on it until whatever time of the day you wanted to do that. Okay, so we'll just go right back in there. 9 p.m. Confirm. And there we go. And then it could ask you if you want to stop holding to continue. Now, you can go ahead and hit stop if you want to stop that hold, or you can just scroll down and say back, and it's going to continue holding. And it's as simple as that. So that is the manual override. Very simple on this device, but I highly recommend checking out my other videos that covers how to connect to the app, the setup and install, 7-day programming, and factory reset. But that's going to be it for the video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I want to see you in the next one. Take care.